Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chevy Volt key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and you'll notice the emergency key begin to slide out. Gently pull the emergency key all the way out of its slot. This step is crucial as it reveals the next access point for opening the fob. Now look inside the slot where the emergency key was. You'll see a small notch or indentation. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, apply slight pressure. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be patient and avoid excessive force. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small circular battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new battery, ensuring it's the correct type, and carefully place it into the housing, matching the orientation you observed earlier. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Your key fob should now be fully functional. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.